In 2025, the world of hypercars is going through a revolution. With advancements in electric propulsion and futuristic technology, electric hypercars are now on the cusp of becoming the future of speed, luxury, and sustainability. These vehicles not only offer jaw-dropping acceleration, but are also packed with cutting-edge tech, design, and efficiency. In this video, we'll dive into the most powerful and innovative electric hypercars of 2025 and explore what makes them stand out in the world of high-performance vehicles. Performance: 1,914 horsepower with a top speed of 258 miles per hour. Acceleration: 0 to 60 miles per hour in just 1.85 seconds. Range: 300 miles per charge. Technology: AI-powered torque vectoring and state-of-the-art battery management. The Rimac Nevera is a trailblazer in the electric hypercar world, combining power with cutting-edge technology for unmatched performance. Performance: 2,000 horsepower, top speed of over 200 miles per hour. Acceleration: 0 to 60 miles per hour in under 3 seconds. Design: stunning aerodynamic design crafted for speed. Sustainability: fully electric with zero emissions. The Lotus Evija is not just about speed, it's a beautifully crafted electric masterpiece with performance to match. Performance: 1,900 horsepower, achieving a top speed of 217 miles per hour. Acceleration: 0 to 60 miles per hour in under 2 seconds. Design: Italian styling with futuristic accents. Range: 300 plus miles on a single charge. The Pininfarina Battista is an electric hypercar that combines Italian artistry with cutting-edge technology and performance. Performance: 1,100 horsepower and top speeds of over 250 miles per hour. Acceleration: 0 to 60 miles per hour in 1.9 seconds. Range: over 620 miles per charge. Technology: full self-driving features and Tesla's cutting-edge autopilot. Tesla's 2025 Roadster promises to be one of the fastest cars on the planet, combining speed, efficiency, and intelligence in one sleek package. Performance: 1,985 horsepower and a top speed of 249 miles per hour. Acceleration: 0 to 60 miles per hour in 1.7 seconds. Technology: advanced battery technology, active aerodynamics. Design: compact and aggressive styling. The Aspark Owl is a Japanese engineering marvel, showcasing extreme speed and cutting-edge electric technology. Performance: 1,035 horsepower, electric and hybrid engine. Top speed: 250 miles per hour. Design: aerodynamic and streamlined with a futuristic look. Technology: hybrid powertrain that delivers incredible acceleration and electric efficiency. McLaren's Speedtail Electric merges futuristic tech with McLaren's renowned engineering expertise for a hypercar that is both fast and luxurious. Electric powertrains: extreme acceleration without sacrificing efficiency. Zero emissions. The shift to fully electric hypercars is changing the landscape of luxury and performance. Advanced materials: use of carbon fiber, titanium, and lightweight composites to reduce weight and improve performance. Autonomous features: AI-based self-driving capabilities and predictive technologies. Longer range: with improvements in battery technology, many electric hypercars now offer over 300 miles of range per charge. Electric hypercars of 2025 are not just about speed, they are technological marvels, built for the future of sustainable high performance. As we move towards the end of the decade, the electric hypercar market will only grow, with solid-state batteries offering even faster charging times and greater range. The AI-driven technologies will also evolve, enabling full autonomous driving and hypercars that can learn from their drivers to provide the perfect driving experience. The future of electric hypercars is exciting, offering the perfect blend of performance, luxury, and sustainability. HL Teach by LMCO LGI TBQ and luxury electric SUVs of 2025 W and top electric sports sedans of 2025. The Mercedes-Benz 300 SL Gullwing, introduced in 1954, is one of the most legendary sports cars in automotive history. With its futuristic design, innovative engineering, and remarkable performance, it quickly earned a place among the greatest cars ever built. To this day, the 300 SL is considered a masterpiece of German engineering and a timeless symbol of elegance and speed. The story of the 300 SL begins with Mercedes-Benz's success in motorsport. In 1952, the company built the W194 race car, which dominated international racing, including the 24 Hours of Le Mans and the Carrera Panamericana. The victories attracted attention from Max Hoffman, a New York-based importer who believed there was a strong market for a road-going sports car in the United States. His vision convinced Mercedes to develop the 300 SL as a production car, blending racing technology with road luxury. His vision convinced Mercedes to develop the 300 SL as a production car, blending racing technology with road luxury. The most distinctive feature of the 300 SL is its upward-opening gull-wing doors. This was not only a design choice but also a necessity. The car's tubular space-frame chassis, designed to reduce weight while maintaining strength, made traditional doors impossible. The car's tubular space-frame chassis, designed to reduce weight while maintaining strength, made traditional doors impossible. The gull-wing doors became the car's signature feature, giving it a futuristic and dramatic appearance. Today they remain one of the most recognizable design elements in automotive history. The 300 SL was revolutionary for its time. It was the first production car to feature fuel injection, which increased power and efficiency compared to carbureted engines. Its 3.0-liter straight-six engine produced 215 horsepower, allowing the car to reach top speeds of around 160 miles per hour, 260 kilometers per h, making it the fastest production car of its era. Allowing the car to reach top speeds of around 160 miles per hour, 260 kilometers per h, making it the fastest production car of its era. The lightweight construction and advanced aerodynamics further enhanced its performance. Inside, the 300 SL combined racing DNA with refined comfort. The interior featured leather upholstery, elegant dials, and a driver-focused cockpit. While it was primarily a high-performance machine, Mercedes ensured it offered sophistication suitable for wealthy clientele. The 300 SL quickly became a status symbol, owned by celebrities, royals, and influential figures. Its appearance in films and magazines cemented its reputation as an icon of style and success. Beyond its glamour, it also demonstrated how motorsport innovations could translate into road cars, inspiring generations of automotive engineers. Mercedes-Benz produced only 1,400 gull-wing coupes between 1954 and 1957, making it an exclusive collector's item today. In 1957, the coupe was replaced by the 300 SL Roadster, which offered open-air driving while retaining the performance of the original. Today, the 300 SL Gullwing is among the most sought-after classic cars, with auction prices reaching millions of dollars. The Mercedes-Benz 300 SL Gullwing is more than just a car. It is a legend that bridges racing heritage, groundbreaking engineering, and timeless design. Its influence can still be seen in modern Mercedes-AMG models, and it continues to inspire car enthusiasts around the world. Health by Kabuk LMcology and Serve Kosiki Taizi Jaguar E-Type W and Urbik Radik Hadaith Z Porsche 911 GT3